Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment on my YouTube videos. Now this is a new and nice design of online banking website which comes with different kind of features. Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment on my YouTube videos. Now this is a design section on how to install and set up your online banking website. So I'm using Ostinga for this video section, as you can see. Now this is my website, it's empty. Now the next section here is just locate your file manager. If you're using Ostinga or any other cPanel, it's still the same process. Then you go to your public_html. If you're using an add-on domain, go to your add-on domain. Now if you're new to cPanel hosting, just click on your top right corner. You get to see something like settings. Ensure to click on it. Then a pop-up will show. Choose show hidden files and home directory to be able to see your .env information. So I'll just go straight to upload and select my file. So this is it. I'll just click on my zip file and click open. So this is uploading. Then go back to your dashboard, which is your cPanel or your H panel. The next section is create your company email account. I've done mine. The moment you create your company email account, ensure to save your information on your notepad, which is very important. Okay. And the next section is let's go straight to creating our database. Now if you're using cPanel, locate database wizard. And mine is database. Then let me just fill out this information. So I have created mine. Now if you're using cPanel, once you create your database information, it takes you to the next section where you're able to see all privileges. Ensure to click on all privileges, then click next step if you're using cPanel for this installation. So I'll go straight to create. As you can see, my database has been created successfully. The next section is locate your phishing admin. So go to your database, then go to import. Then choose your file. So this is it. I'll just click open and import. Good. So I'll click on structure. Now the next section here is, as you can see, this is go to your public_html, which is your file manager. Then ensure to extract your zip file. So I'm using Ostinga. I'll just have to create a folder and extract. Then go to your extracted folder. Ensure to select all information. Then you move it back to your public_html or your add-on domain. So that is it. Then ensure to delete your folder and also your zip file. Now this is good. So we've done that. Now the next section is for us to locate our database configuration setup. So guys, let me show you guys how to install this script. And the next section here is just go straight to account. Now you just have to be able to watch as you're watching this video, and while you're installing, ensure you follow the same process to avoid not getting this correctly, because there are a lot of things to do here, which is very important. And the very first thing we do is you come to user_access.php. then you go through it. This has to do with user emails and alerts, as you can see. So you just go through it, and there's some things you need to change in terms of the link and the write-up. Now this is the header section of the website, as you can see. So what I'm showing you guys there before I start installation is for you guys to understand that there are a lot of things you'll be able to do here. Okay, so you just go through this section before you start your installation, just to see if there's something you need to change. And the next section here is come to include, and the include section is where we have to do all our installation. After once you come to include, go to billing config.php. Now this is where we'll put in our database information. So this is my database password. Ensure you put it inside the colon, and this is for my user. And this is my database name, DB. So ensure you copy and paste the right information. So we're done with it. You save after you've inputted the values. Then you come back to class_user_. So just scroll. So this is for our mailing section. Now, if you're using Hostinger, yours is fstp.hostinger.com. If you're using a different cPanel, once you create your email account, the very first thing you get to see in your webmail is your mail configuration settings. Now, if you're using cPanel, most times it might be mail.your.dominion.com or just your dominion.com, or it depends on the cPanel you're using. They might send you your SMTP name server. So mine is smtp.hostinger.com. So I'll just copy my email value for information. Go to cell. So I'll just Ctrl F or Command F to find and replace, just to be able to do this quickly. So this is for good. So this is for your SMTP. Now we've done all this. Now this is your username. So you can change this to just Ctrl F. Ctrl F is more faster. Good. So your email password, do not forget it. Good, we're good to go. Once you scroll down, this is for if you have Twilio. This is for Twilio. You just have to change this to your Twilio information. Then I'll click on save. Then I'll exit section. Now we've done the class.user.php. The next is connectdb.php. Then you exit section. Then you go to db.config.php. So you have to do the same process here. So you are not rushing this installation, you take your time. So here is for my DB name. This is my DB name here. So ensure you you copy the right information. Do not copy outside the colon. Then Ctrl F, and I'll just paste my DB name, and that's for the user. And I'll change this to my user, and this is the user section, as you can see. Good. And also for my password section, I just have to copy my password and paste. So this site title, you just have to change the site title to your name, to your domain name. So I'll just Control or Command F and just do this for all. Then your site domain, which is your site company email. So just copy your company email you created. I do the same process. Good. You can also change your address. It's still the same process, as you can see. So you can change all this to your information. Once you're done with it, click word save. Then you exit the section. You go back to mail.sms.php. So you copy your company email. You do the same process here. Then you do the same process. Here will be your SMTP. Good. So you also change the name to your company name. And also you copy your email password. So that is it. As you can see, we've done this section. You exit. So if you go to session.php, okay, there's nothing to do here. So you just ensure to delete this, not needed. Alright, go back to your public_html, go back to account. Then once you come to account, now the next section here is the dashboard section. Click on dashboard folder. So we don't have anything here to do basically. Just scroll down. So if you have a live chat, you want to put your live chats, just come to your folder, come to the dashboard section, account, then dashboard, locate header. Let's look if we have a footer here. So just locate your header. We don't have footer here. Okay, this is footer, or you put your live chat here in the footer section, edit it. You scroll down and just put it before. Now this is, take it down before the closing body, for the closing body, or you just put it after this. So this is how you put in your live chat. Then you click save. So that's it. So you go to admin. Now if you come to admin section, go to billing.php. okay, go back to class.admin.php. so scroll down. As you can see, I'm taking my time doing this, so you also take your time doing it. Now this is the same process for the email section. So I'll copy my email password. I'll put in my email password here, and also I'll copy my company email name. So I'll Control F or Command F and paste. Now replace it, and also for my SMTP host name, mine is smtp.hosting. So I will just replace. Then the next section is the name. I'll change this to my company name. Good. So that is it. I'll click words. So you can also change it here if you want to, if you have the OTP section for your SMS. Now click save. Then exit section. Scroll down to where you have class.root, class.crude. Scroll down again. So we'll do the same process here. So the same process. Here is your SMTP host. Then do this for Ctrl F and also paste your company email account information, and do the same here. Ctrl F, then you replace it with your company name. Good. Then you copy your company email password. Ensure to put your password here. Then you can change this if you want to. So we're good. You save. The next section is exit section. Go to connectdb.php. So this is for our database. This is my database name. I'll Ctrl F this, and so while pasting, ensure you paste it, do not rush. So I'll just take this to we have my DB name. So that's for my DB name. So let me copy for my user. So this is it. So ensure you do the information the right way. This is the database name. This is for the user section. So I'll copy my password. Then the password section, you just highlight it and Ctrl F or Command F. Then you replace. So this is how it is, or how it works. Then you copy your company email account. So this is your company email. You paste and you change the names to your company name. So then you click on save. Then you edit this section. You scroll down again. Let's see. So we're good to go. Then you go back again to your account section. Go to include. So let's go back to class.user. So ensure you go through your information as well. So we're good to go. Let me go back to my website and reload. As you can see, this is the front end of the website. As you can see, this is how it works. Now for the front end, in order to put a live chat here or edit your front end, go back to your file manager. Go to your public_HTML where you have your account information. So all these are the front end. This is index.html. So since this is in HTML, you just have to edit it individually and scroll down, and before the closing body tag, this is it. There you put your live chat here. So that's how you do it. You do it that for all the information and editing. All this is the front end. Okay, so we're good to go. So once user come to the website, as you can see, we're getting error here. Now you go back to your file manager. So you go to account. This is your file manager. Go to public_HTML. You go to account. Then you go to dashboard. Now this will be the admin section. Go to admin. Then you go to class.crew.php. I'm sorry, go to connectdb.php. So this section here should be user. Here should be your database username. And your PHP version is 7.4. And here should also be your DB. So here is your DB, here is your username. Then click save. And let me reload the section. So this is it, but this is not the first section. So you go back again. Now go back to your account section. Go to include. Sorry. Go back to your dash account. Go to dashboard. Then apply online. This is the very first application form. So you just edit. You right click on it, then you rename. Just copy the rename. Copy it. Do not rename it, just copy. Then you go back to your account section. Then you go to user underscore access.php. Let's see. Let's scroll down. Now this takes us to dashboard form.php. So you change this to the apply online.php. Then you save this section. So once user come to your website, let me reload here. So they click on login. They click on sign up now. So, okay, I need to find it. So I need to find this section. Go back again. So this is for create accounts. So exit section. So we have this here. This is the home page, right? So go back to your account. Go to public_HTML. Go to index. These are all the indexes, so you have to edit everything. Index.html. So what is it saying? There is the login and enroll. Okay, let's search on not enrolled. Control F or Command F. Not enrolled. Now this is it. So just change it to apply online. Let's say if we have that here. Okay, then you click save. So once I come back here, let me reload this section. Then click on login and sign up. So this is how it is. It has to pass through the apply line section. So let me show you guys how to log in the admin. So to log in admin, it's your domain name /account/dashboard/admin/login.php. So this is how you log into your admin section. So go back to your PHP admin, go to admin. Now edit this section. So what you just have to do is we copy our company email, you paste it here. Now this is for your password, just change it. So we're not encrypting, just change and click on go. But if you're there, be able to reconstruct this database section if you want to. It's easy to do. So we're good to go. Let me go back to the admin panel. Let me log in. So once you put your information, then you put in your admin password, then access admin panel. So this is the admin section of the website. So I just want to go back and delete all the users here, just for tutorial purpose. So I just delete all the information here from the database. You can do that yourself. So let me go back to the admin and let me reload this section. So you can see everything now is empty and it is blanked. Good, we are good to go. What next? Let's go to the manager section here. Let's see. Now this is admin account, so you can actually change this company email, your admin name and your password and your PTC. Then once you've done that, just click on save. So this is how you change your admin password. So the next section here is, let's say we have not done one of the section, so go back to your database, go to bank settings, click edit this section. So copy your domain name and paste this. Ensure to remove the slash, change this to your domain name, and also change this to your company email, and also change this to your bank name, phone number. So also change this to your address. So that is it. Then click on go. So successfully do all the settings. Ensure while you're saving there is no space behind your information. Once you copy a code, for instance, let me just click edit. For instance, there is a space here, and I click go. As you can see, we have a new arrow, we have a line which takes a new line. You get it? So this is wrong. So go back and edit this and ensure you remove the space, so there won't be any line. Okay, so that is it. We are good to go, guys. So the next session here is, let's say, now in order for us to understand this better, we have to create a user account. So this is it. So guys, if you are still watching my video, guys, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment on Big Giant Tech. So go back to the website. Let's create a user account. So I'll just come back and click get started. So your PHP version is 7.4. then you can actually just locate all this file and you to edit it. So let me just fill out this information. So I'll fill out information. I'll click on register now. As you can see, our account has been created and registered successfully. So all this stuff here, you need to locate them. Let me go back to my file. As you come to account, so you go to dashboard. Now this is the user section. This is the user account section. Ensure to go through all the and change any information that is not yours. Ensure to do that. Very, very important, guys. So that's that. Now this account will be created, but user won't get registration information, so I'll not be able to have more chance to be able to customize this website to standard. Then if you click on OK, it takes them to the user access page. Now this is the user login page, account user underscore access. Now the very first one you see, that is not user login page. You have to change it to this section. So let me, for instance, let me just copy this. So let me just remove this and go back to now this login here. You see, you just have to remove this login, okay, and put the link. Once you click here, ensure you put the login section and registration. So once you click this section, it takes them to the main login page. So this is not the login page. So that is how it is. This is the main login page, okay. So what next is go to, let's say, so go to your inbox. Now if you're getting the script, let me show you guys what you need to do. So before you approve the user, once you come to the home, if you're getting the script, this is what you do. Just for example purpose, you go to create new message, then let me just delete this and let me paste this. So it changes to the username. Now go back to your admin section, reload this admin section here. Sorry, let me go. You go to all user accounts. We have one pending account. Let's go to pending account. So this is the pending account. Before we do anything, just copy the account number and just copy the account number, put it here. Now this is user account pin. Go back to dashboard. Did we create an account pin? So we did not. This is your account pin here, so you have to send them. But the new updates coming up, all this will be there. Now just keep this like this. Now the user password, do not touch this section. So it changes to your company link. So this is your company link. Then what next? It changes to your company name. Good. After you've done this, just click. Ensure you copy the user email, because you're sending to the user email. You copy this and take this as, then here will be account verified or account created successfully. So after you've done this, just click what, send. So let me go to my email. As you can see, so the user will receive. Now this is the welcome email user gets normally. Okay, user gets this welcome email, right? Okay, so user get this email. Now this is what you send to the user, but before you send this, like you're able to see user gets registration email. So go back to the admin. Now this account is still dominant, then edit this section to update. Now once you just come to this section, don't do anything here, just click on update account. So automatically it has changed user accounts from dominant to approved. Okay, so there's no need of doing that section again. I've forgotten that I've done this, so there's no need to do that section. As you can see, it's coming. This is the user account password, user account pin. So there's no need for you guys to send the email anymore. Okay, so that is it. So let me just copy the account number. So I'll paste the account number here and put in the password and proceed. Invalid account number. Let's see. Ensure there is no space. So that has to do with my password. Now the other section here is for the pin section, which is 69685. I'll just copy the pin and just paste. Then click on enter. So as you can see, this is the user dashboard of the website. It takes us time to install and be able to set up, but you're able to achieve this result. So that is it. This is how it is. Let me just take this wider. Okay, so once user come to fund transfer, let's go to local transfer. So let me go back again. Now for this local transfer, I don't know why I got an error here. It said done.php. Go back to your file. Let's look at local transfer. So once you come to this fund transfer, it's like it was removed by a stinger. So I just want to do this video quickly. So go back to your account, go to dashboard, then you go to upload. So let me just select the file. So dashboard. If you're getting the script, it's coming together, but mine was omitted. I don't know why. So this is the dom.php. Good. So once I go back here, let me reload this section. Now this is still not showing. Okay. So I think mine is, Stinger is removing this code. So mine is being removed by Stinger for security reasons just now. But if you're using cPanel, you'll be able to use this information. Okay. So let me just be fast with this to avoid my account being suspended. Alright, so the next information, go to user information. So users can actually do a lot here, as you can see. So let me just go to, let's see, deposit. So how would the user deposit? So come to make a deposit, just can deposit through a bank transfer. Kindly submit your billing information too, and then so this ticket is submitted, admin we have to message. So that's how it works. If you go to the Bitcoin, then users, you copy the address and you just do the same process and submit tickets. Now the ticket might be paid, and once I go back to admin section, so let me reload the admin. Sorry, let me reload the admin information. You can see 2 tickets. We have 2 tickets here. Let's locate tickets. Now click on view tickets. You're able to see the user tickets here. You can reply the user, and you can send the user the account number. So that's how it works. So come back to this section. Users can take loan, apply for loan. So still the same process. Take them to the ticket section. Then apply for loan. So it still takes them to the ticket section. Now this is happening due to the host, so I have to be quick. So let me go back again here to view tickets. As you can see, so once I go back to the customer information, so we've done that section. This is the make deposit. Customer can also request for, they can also request for bank card. So for instance, request for card. So I'm just showing you guys the basic walkthrough. So this is the basic walkthrough. Let me reload the section. So that's how it is. So basically, once I come back here, go to admin, you can see approve, view. Now we have let's say we have activate billing code. You can activate this user. Users, you can say, okay, users was activate this, users will be able to use every information, or deactivate only OTP. They use this information. So if you say just move to tax page, you have to skip most of the information. So that's how it works. If you go to transfer status, there is no transfer status here. Transfer record and status. Now you can also credit user through this section here. Let me go back to dashboard. So this is how you credit users. Select the user's account, and from your company, then you put your date information, You click credit account. Then I come back here, reload this section. As you can see, users are getting email constantly. So ensure you change this from all your information in the dashboard. Okay, as you can see, this is the user card details information. So go back to admin section, go to all users accounts, then scroll down. Let's manage this user account. So let's see. So this is the card information section. Okay, this is for the card, as you can see. Okay, so if you come, users comes to bank statement, e-statement. Now they'll be able to print this statement, I think. Okay, you can also code this section. You can also code this section so users will be able to download the receipt. So that is how it works. Then once they come to international transfer, so let me just fill out this information. So I fill out the information. I'll just come and click make this transfer. So he said one-time code. Let me go to my email, then copy this and paste. Now you can see it went through. Now what I showed you guys, we come to activate code. Now instead of only this, just move to COT code page. So this will move them directly instead of going through the OTP section. This means that you can see activate this for now. Now this works for only the transfer. Let me go back again. So let me come back again and do the same process here. You can see, and this will have to redirect to the COT section. So that's how it works. Once you come back to admin, to get this information, go to all users. Now this is the particular user section. Now these are the codes, as you can see. Now if you go to transfer status, be able to see the user. So this is how it works. I'm able to edit, and this is how it works. So if you like this video guys, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment a big giant text. See you guys in the next segment. Thank you guys.